Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Tyler Kocius, and I'm going to be doing a screencast presentation on my final module. And as you can see in the title page, it is about learning how to ski. Now, I owe skiing a lot to the person I am today. I learned how to ski in sixth grade, so when I was 10 years old. So, a big chunk of my life has been on the mountain, and I can always remember people not enjoying the winter, but I would always be excited because I knew winter meant ski season. And I thought this would be a great kind of presentation to do that I could even use in the future. I know in high school I was president of ski club my senior year, and hopefully when I do get a full-time job, and if they do have a ski club, I would love to be kind of the coordinator of that, the chaperone. And for any learners interested in skiing, I could show them this tutorial and it could help them. So as you can see right off the bat, I included a picture of the mountain and a bunch of skiers to kind of set the mood. Throughout this presentation, I will always have a help button right here in the upper right hand corner, and I will also have a next on the bottom right hand corner. As you can see in the second slide, I have a main menu page. So clicking the help button, it will get you to this main menu page. In the bottom left hand corner, I will have a back button to, go back in the presentation. So this is going to be the page that kind of sets up this whole module. Then the next slide I have in this module, you'll learn so and so, a bunch of different things. I will have a video on this slide. I'm still in the process of editing that. Then I also have a quick video of some ski tricks. Might engage the students, their interest in skiing. I have why skiing. It's great exercise, lifelong sport, winter activity, and anyone can do it. Especially in Western Pennsylvania, it snows, so it is a good winter activity. So I kind of have an intro how to prepare for a ski trip. As you can see here, if you are someone who has already gone skiing or already knows what is needed, you can push the star button. I highly recommend that you go through the steps, but then I have it right here. So there's 6 steps. If they are comfortable with not going over the 6 steps, they can push next. But if they want to go over the steps, you can click, step one, it will get you to step one. Step two will get you to step two. So going a little bit forward, after kind of the intro, you'll go to ski knowledge, kind of the different types of slopes. And then it will be my first quiz. They'll have to kind of put in order what is the easiest slope to the hardest slope. Which will kind of be interesting. They'll get to move pieces, which is nice. I then go into how to properly get dressed, step one, step two, step three, and step four. Now, getting dressed is very important. That's why I spent a good amount of, slides on that. It can kind of make or break your ski experience. And I do have another quiz saying true or false. It is important to tuck clothing into your socks. If you did read the sections, you'll know that answer is false. You never tuck things into your socks. But these checks are to make sure kids are, or not even kids, but people viewing this presentation is paying attention. So as you can see, another home page, skis will get you to skis, helmet, goggles will get you to that page. I like the interactions. I think that's cool. I always like clicking on stuff and then going to different areas. And I also have another home page with the actual actions of skiing. So after all that, I'm going to have a final quiz. I'm still working on the questions and uploading them. It will be a couple questions. And I like this, if you pass, you can push the start button. But if you didn't, you will have to go back to the beginning and then you will kind of have to go through it all over again. So that's just a brief little bit about my screencast and presentation.